Welcome to Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. I'm Miss Crystal, and today we're going to be making accordion paper snakes. This is a great project for kids between the ages of about 7 to 11. Here are the supplies you'll need for this project. Choose 2 different colors of construction paper. Then you'll also need a small piece of red or some paper you can color red. You'll need a ruler or a small cutting board, some scissors, a black marker or pen, and a glue stick. So to begin, you want to cut the paper into 1-inch strips. You will need 5 1-inch strips. For this project, I went ahead and cut a few so we could begin, and you will just know you need 5. So to begin with, we want to connect one of each color right at the corner. So I'm going to glue, let's see, I think I would like red on the bottom. And I want to be sure and line up this first corner nice and even to get a nice corner edge. This will help us a lot as we go along. So what we want to do is the one that is on bottom, we're going to fold that over the other color, just right over where the edge of the yellow is, and make a nice straight fold right there. Now I'm going to turn. This is what I like. I like to keep it where we can do the same step over and over, the same pattern. And now I'm going to turn my yellow over, the red. Turn and fold. Match it up as close as you can, right on the edge. Turn and fold. So continue doing that until your strips begin to get short. And at that point, we're going to add another strip. This is a great activity to practice fine motor skills. It's also a nice concentration activity since it's the same steps and movements for the whole thing. All right, so here we are now with our paper a little shorter. So we want to attach another strip. I overlap it about 2 or 3 inches and line it up so it's nice and straight with my other piece. There you go. And we're going to continue folding and turning. But when I get to the seam where I've added my new piece, I want to add a little more glue just to secure it a little better and hold it in place. So right here, I have hit one of my seams. So I'm going to add a little more glue so my snake doesn't fall apart. And continue folding right nice and neat. Fold and turn. Fold and turn. So as you continue to do that, you'll start to see your accordion begin to develop. So I've gone ahead and completed one with all 5 of my 1-inch strips, so I have the body of my snake. So now all I need to do is make a little face and his little tongue. So for this, I'm going to make his face. Oh, let's see, we already have a red tongue. Let's make a yellow face. So for this, we're going to make somewhat of a rounded triangle. You can either draw it first or just freehand it like I'm going to do to get the shape that you want. All right, so we go. So it's somewhat of a 3 rounded corner shape. Then I'm going to take a little piece of my red to make the tongue. So I'm just going to cut off a small piece. See? And just cut a V out of the end to give him a little forked tongue. And I will glue that to the back of my head. Now I'm going to add the eyes and the nostrils. For the eyes, I just draw 2 circles, and then I'm going to put 2 smaller black circles inside those circles. And I'm just going to draw little lines to make the slits for his nose. And then I'm just going to secure that on the end of my accordion. And secure it tightly. And there you go. You have a really fun, cool accordion snake to play with. Thank you so much for joining us for Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. We would love to see your finished projects, so post them on social media for us with the hashtag #ILoveHPL. Thanks so much for coming. See you next time. Bye.